Namaste, welcome to Gita's Kitchen. No oven, no eggs, still this cocoa rava cake comes out so tasty. Come, let's see how to make it. Today I'll share with you a simple eggless rava coco cake made in the kadai on your stove top. So no eggs, no maida, no need of any oven. Very simple, step by step I'll show you. The first step, which is very important, take a heavy kadai, add some salt at the bottom. I have placed a stand. We'll cover it. Now in a bowl I have taken here 1 cup of fresh homemade curd, 3/4 cups of powdered sugar. Whisk the curd and sugar well till the sugar dissolves. See, the sugar has dissolved completely. Now I am adding 1/4 cup of oil. You can add any cooking oil which is neutral, that is, it should not have any strong flavor of its own. Mix that also well into it. Now this is chiroti rava, that is fine semolina or fine rava. See how fine it is. If you don't have this, take your regular upma rava and grind it in your mixie to make it a fine rava. So I have taken 1 cup of this chiroti rava. To this I am adding 2 tablespoons of this drinking chocolate powder. If you have cocoa powder also you can add. I like adding this drinking chocolate. Just add a pinch of salt. Now mix these dry ingredients well together. Now add these dry ingredients, that is your chiroti rava, fine semolina and cocoa powder mix, and mix everything well together. The dry and wet ingredients should be blended well. Cover it and keep it aside to rest for 10 minutes. Now we can switch on the kadai in which you have placed salt and a stand in it. Preheat it for 10 minutes while the batter is resting. Meanwhile, grease your cake mold at the bottom as well as in the sides. Place a baking paper too at the bottom, so that when you remove the cake, it will be very easy to unmold it. Our cake tin is ready. Here I have some colorful Tutti Frutti. Just add some flour and dust it well. This way it will not sit at the bottom of the cake when you bake it. See, it is 10 minutes now. The batter has rested well. See the consistency of the batter. I am just adding 1/4 cup of milk. Add little by little, just as much as needed. Don't add too much milk. Even in 1/4, I have used only half of that. Because we are using semolina, the batter can be slightly thick. It should not be very thin. Next, add in the Tutti Frutti and mix it well. Now I am adding in vanilla essence. Mix it all well together. Finally, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. Again, mix this all well together. Now pour this batter into your greased and lined baking tin. Here I have some mixed dry fruits. This is optional. Whatever you have at home you can use. I had this packet of mixed dry fruits, so I thought I'll use this. Just place it on top. Some cashews, raisins, a little bit of almonds, pumpkin seeds, whatever you have. About 2 tablespoons of this mixed dry fruits I have used here. Tap it. Our kadai is also preheated and ready. Now carefully place this tin inside your kadai. Cover it well and cook it on a low flame for 40 to 45 minutes. Don't be tempted to open it in between. At least for the first 30 minutes, just allow it to continue cooking. It is 40 minutes now. Let's check our cake. It has risen beautifully. And let me insert a toothpick in it and check so that it is, see, the toothpick is coming out clean. That means it has cooked well. Now I can switch it off and then allow it to cool. I must also mention I shifted it to the back burner, that is the smaller burner, and kept it on absolutely low flame because in the bigger burner the flame was a bit high. So smaller burner and low flame 40 minutes. We'll just allow it to cool. So let's take a slice and see, we have a perfect slice of our cocoa rava cake. See a lovely spongy cake. You can have a close-up look at it too. Soft and spongy. Our perfectly spongy, soft, tasty and moist cocoa rava cake bakery style. This bakery style choco rava cake, soft and spongy, eggless and no oven, no maida. We have made it using this fine semolina. This is in response to a request from one of our subscribers. And if you want a more budget friendly option, just omit the cocoa powder, that is the drinking chocolate powder which I have used, and proceed with the rest of the recipe. You can add another 2 tablespoons more of this fine semolina when you make it that way. So the choice is yours. A simple tea time cake which you can enjoy and let the kids also enjoy, especially during this festive season. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Gita's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Gita's Kitchen. Thank you.